Good morning, my friend. I'm Rangga and I am 20 years old. I was born in Pekanbaru but raised in Pariaman. I am majoring in Information Technology, D3 Computer Engineering Study Program. I really like watching movie and also I like playing a game. Here, I want to talk about my study English topic during this half semester. The first topic, we talk about introduction. Here, how to introduce yourself. You might need to introduce yourself first in your English class, at a job interview, at a new job, at a new hobby, and at a large event. Not here. Here are something to consider when introduce yourself. The first, greeting to your name, 3 location, position and company, qualification, experience, family, hobbies, egg, and fun fact. That's all about introduction. Now, I will explain a little about the importance of English. First, English gives you wider access to the world of entertainment. English can provide wider access to the world of entertainment. For example, in movies, music, and game. Almost all of them already use English. So, then it is easier to understand the meaning and purpose. English is very much needed. Very much needed. English can open up new career opportunities because English is the language most widely known by citizens of the world. Understanding English becomes very important in your career journey. ERA provides great opportunities for people to be able to work in an international environment. It is not impossible to work in a multinational company with promising career prospects. To achieve this, good English skills are needed to open dream job opportunity, especially in the IT world. English 3. English can make it easier for us to travel anywhere in the world. English is an international language, so if we travel abroad or talk to foreigners, we can use English to start a conversation. And last, speaking English gives you wider access to knowledge because speaking English will provide convenience in accessing knowledge, especially for those of us who are in the field of information technology, wherein learning we encounter many video or module that use English. And this is about importance of English. Now we're talking about my work routine. My daily activity start by waking up at 6:30. I have a habit of drinking water after waking up. After that, I take wudu for subuh prayer. If there is no morning class, I go back to the sleep and wake up again on 1 hour before class starts to get ready. Sometimes I have breakfast, sometimes I don't. Class usually ends at 4 p.m. So I ate lunch and pray on campus. After arriving at the boarding house, I immediately clean up, took a shower, and got ready to pray Maghrib. After that, I eat dinner and pray Isha. Then I study, and when I am done, I usually play game or watch. My sleeping hours are always random, depending on my mood and my sleeping habit. My sleeping hours are always random, depending on what I do that night. But before going to sleep, I always take wudu and brush my teeth. Now I want to talk my dream job. My dream job is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protection critical system and sensitive information from digital attack. Also known as information technology security, Cybersecurity measures are designed to combat their against network system and application, whether those other threat originate from inside or outside of an organization. All companies that are transforming from digital-based data are strongly encouraged to pay attention to and use cybersecurity in storing, accessing, and retrieving important information. Protecting information and data is necessity for most companies and government agencies around the world because data is a valuable asset of company and can become a problem in the future if the data falls into the hand of unauthorized person. Specifically for Indonesia, BSSN, Badan Cyber dan Sandi Negara, stated that during January to August last year, there were nearly 119 million cyber attempts in Indonesia, increased more than 4 times compared to the same period in 2016 and 19, which was around 39 million. In 2021, a number of parties accused that cyber attack will not subside. The COVID-19 pandemic can create various waves of poverty that are likely to increase crime, including cyber attack. Based on the thing above, it is not surprising that cybersecurity is now increasingly important, especially for a person, organization, or even a country. As a result, there are now many cybersecurity standards available. Its purpose is to help prevent cyber attack and help mitigate cyber attacks successfully. Now we talking about computer system. Computer system there are is computer hardware and and software computer. First, computer hardware. Computer hardware is collective term used to describe any of the physical component of an analog or digital computer. The term hardware distinguishes the tangible aspect of computing device from software, which consists of written, machine-readable instruction or program that tell physical component what to do, and when to execute the instruction. What are internal computer hardware components? There are is motherboard, CPU, RAM, hard disk, SSD, optical drive, heatsink, GPU, graphical processing unit, network interface card, NIC. And what are external hardware computer? External computer hardware include the mouse, keyboard, microphone, camera, touchpad, USB flash drive, memory card. Example of output hardware component include the following: monitor, printer, speaker, and headphone. And two, software computer. Software is a set of instruction, data, or program used to operate computer and execute specific tasks. It is the opposite of hardware, which describes the physical aspect of a computer. Software is a generic term used to refer to application, script, and program that run on a device. It can be thought of as the variable part of a computer, while hardware is the invariable part. Due to two main categories of software are application software and system software. An application is software that fulfills a specific need to or perform tasks. System software is designed to run a computer hardware and provide a platform for application to run on top of. Example and type of software. Among the various category of software, the most common type include the following. Application software. The most common type of software application software is a computer software package that performs a specific function for a user, in some cases for another application. And 2. System software. The software programs are designed to run a computer application program and hardware. System software coordinates the activity and function of the hardware and software. In addition, it controls the operation of the computer hardware and provides an environment or platform for all the other types of software to work in. 3. Driver software, also known as device driver. This software is often considered a type of system software. 3. Middleware. In the term middleware describes software that mediate between application and system software, or between two different kinds of application software. For example, middleware enables Microsoft Windows to talk to Excel and Word. Programming software. Computer programs use programming software to write code. Programming software and programming tools enable developers to develop, write, test, and debug other software programs. Examples of programming software include assembler, compiler, debugger, and interrupts. That's all. Okay, thank you for attention. That's all about my study English topic during this half semester. Thank you and goodbye.